Good afternoon, guys. So today we are going to be doing analysis on gold. I don't know what gold is doing this period, but gold is not in its right senses. Gold is buying I. And guess what? I put entry on gold and gold did not tap me in. I'm just like surprised. I'm still looking for more entries. My mind will be like jump, enter. As you go, they buy, just jump, enter, follow the trend and go up. But I said no, I must be disciplined, sir. I must not just jump into that gold trade. So this is what I do. I want to do analysis on gold. So now, first of all, if you follow my channel or you follow this page, you know that I start with the daily time frame. Okay, I start with the daily time frame for the analysis. So I'm going to be going to the daily. Oh my god, gold are breaking this thing out. Oh my god, that's why gold is buying. Gold is buying because of this zone right here. Let me delete all this chart. So gold is buying because of this zone right here. At this point, gold is breaking the highest points, the trend line that I marked. So this is the trend line right here. If you notice, gold, this is what I marked the other time. But gold has broken it. So what we are expecting is the next thing now. So this is the zone where gold is currently at. Gold will sell from this zone. Let's see if this zone can push the market down. Let's see if the gold can push the market down because of the way the market is buying. The market is just buying forward and forward and forward. You don't even know what currently the market is doing. So first thing we do on analysis basis is go to the higher time frame. No, on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily time frame, you can notice that there is actually an order block there on the daily time frame where market is currently going to. So what I will do currently is mark out that place, that zone that market is going to. Then I'm going to wait for market to hit that place. If market reacted on that place, then I'm going to be selling gold from that point. So let's see. Let's go to the 4 hours. Like one thing I said, if somebody is doing analysis, look how I'm using my time frame, because most people don't even know how to use the time frames. This is how I'm using my own time frame. I use the daily 4 hours, 1 hour and 15 minutes. So you have to be using the time frames exactly the way I'm using them. So now I went to the 4 hours to check if there's anything. Okay, the 4 hours is also giving me the same zone and everything. So my target is that other block on the daily time frame. So that's where market is buying to. So what I will do, I will go down to my entry time frame, which is most of the times I use 1 hour or 15 minutes. Is to okay. So now where market is currently going. So now I'll go down to my 1 hour. So now my 1 hour is actually giving me a good this thing. And one thing, if you notice, as the more you are going down, the more you are noticing that the chart is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Don't be confused if the chart is getting bigger. What you'll be focusing on is where the current price is. So that's where I'll be focusing on. I'll be looking if there's any entry on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, I've spotted a little entry there on the 1 hour to buy this market up. So this is what I will do. I'll mark it from here, but I don't know if markets will come here anytime soon because gold is buying. I don't know if markets will come down to that point, but let me check the 15 minutes. Okay, the 15 minutes is giving me 2 zones. So for me, the way the market is currently buying, I will just take this one instead. I'll just take the 15 minutes order block instead, because the way the market is buying rapidly. So I don't think markets will come down to that point again. So this will be my entry for today. Then I'm going to show you the after. Then I'm going to take here. I'm going to take this other side as my liquidity to make this thing even. Then I'm going to put entry for a buy from here, targeting this up, bending it. So this is what I'm expecting market to do. So this is my entry for gold. I don't know, but let me screenshot it just to make sure that everything is on place. So this is how to do your analysis. Go to your daily time frame, look for the direction of the market, then go to your